In this video, I'll guide you through the process of deleting a page on Facebook. Make sure to wait until the end to avoid any mistakes, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you found it helpful, let's dive in. Open the Facebook app on your device, tap on the menu icon, select the page you want to delete from the list. Once on the page, go back to the menu. Tap on the gear icon to access settings. In settings, use the search box to search for delete. Choose the deactivation or deletion option. Tap continue. Tap on continue. Scroll down and tap continue again. Enter your Facebook password. Tap continue. Confirm the deletion by tapping continue once more. Your page will be deleted and you'll be switched back to your main profile. Remember, you can reactivate your page within 13 days by logging into your main profile and going to account settings. That is it. You've successfully deleted your page on Facebook.